Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial for you on how to sew this open back midi dress. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. So let's just get into the tutorial. So first, of course, print out the pattern. The link to the pattern you can find in the description down below. Don't forget to check the size of a test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Then tape everything together and cut out all the pattern pieces. For this dress, I choose this soft knitted fabric, a beautiful milky color. Cut out all the pattern pieces out of the fabric. Now we're gonna start sewing. So place your back piece to the front piece right sides together and then just pin it in place. Then sew the side seams from bottom to top. I'm using an overlocker, but if you don't have one, you can just use a zigzag stitch or a straight stitch on your home sewing machine. Now we need to make straps and loops. To do this, I cut out 2 strips of fabric 2 centimeters wide and about 1.5 meters long, but you can cut it shorter. I just want my straps to be very long. After that, I fold the strip in half right sides together and make a stitch on the overlocker. Now we need to turn it right side out. I'm going to use a pin for this. After that, cut 4 short straps for loops from the resulting straps. There is a marking on the pattern where the loops should be. Transfer this marking to the dress and pin the loops. Also pin the straps to the top of the dress. Then I like to just stay stitch everything in place. After that, I cut off the excess. To finish off the edges of the dress, I cut off 2 strips of fabric 2 centimeters wide and finish them on the overlocker, but you can just use pre-made bias tape. Then I'm gonna place my tape right sides together with the dress, and I'm gonna line up the edge of the tape with the edge of the dress and stitch this in place using the overlocker. After that, I folded and top stitched it with 1 centimeter as the seam allowance. Lastly, we just have to hem the dress. This is not necessary, but for a cleaner edge, I'm going to just overlock the edge of the hem first. Then I turn it once at a 1 cm and make a straight stitch. lace up your dress, and after that you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.